Welcome to Benny and Beyond.
In this video we are going to be spending 24 hours exploring Luxembourg in our van as part of our full-time van life series in Europe, where we spend 3 months travelling 12 countries without breaking the bank.
We left off the last video at this amazing park up in Belgium. We've woken up nice and early to enjoy the woods with a morning walk. It's another sunny day.
It is indeed. A lot better than yesterday morning when we woke up.
Oh, lots better. Birds singing, lovely blue skies, not too bad.
Very happy this morning. Probably doesn't look like the next day. We've just thrown on the same jumpers because there is a little bit of a chill in the air.
Yeah, I feel like it's going to get quite warm later.
Yes.
But at the moment it is still a bit of a cold breeze.
God, these birds are loud.
I know.
It's lovely.
So, I've managed to drag you out the van this morning.
I know, I struggle to get out of bed in the van. Honestly, I don't know what it is, it's just so much more cosy and comfy. I love it.
I know you do, yeah. But now going on that bit more of an extended walk from what I did yesterday, and show you what I found.
Yes. Gorgeous Parker, really pleased with that one.
Really nice views of like green rolling hills.
Yeah, you can see for miles across Belgium. It's lovely.
Yeah, very nice spot, very quiet. I don't think anyone came up the entire night.
No, I don't either. I
All
didn't
morning.
hear anyone. No, I didn't hear anyone at all.
No, so now we are making our way to Luxembourg.
Country number 11 for Benny.
Yes. We've got a few things we want to do. We've got one stop to do before we get to...
Luxembourg City.
Yeah.
Yeah. Super excited. We'll have
Yeah.
to get another magnet.
There it is.
Luxembourg!
That's another one.
Number 11! Tick!
Stop number 1.
This is hopefully going to be the Beerfelt viewing platform. It's where you
Oh,
can
there are
see-
signs down there.
Oh, amazing. We're a bit confused about the route. And we've got no phone service, so can't
Yeah.
double check.
We have no idea really where we're going.
Yeah, so we're just going to give it a go. Yeah, Beerfelt, and then it's got the symbol for viewing point.
Alright. That way it is.
Let's go.
Getting a peek in between the trees. Oh, she's off.
Well, you're going to catch me up anyway.
Yeah, you are rather slow.
What the hell is that?
I think that's the viewing platform.
The viewing platform?
The viewing platform, I imagine. It's up here, I guess.
90 metres. God, was that really 0.3 kilometres? How long is 0.3 kilometres?
Not that.
That's not much. I thought it was
No,
much
I
further.
did say it's not very long. And you said to get the bloody hiking bag out.
And I brought a bottle of water and I sun creamed.
That's something else. Come on, you. Oh god, it's quite high though.
For context, if you haven't seen our previous videos, Reese is scared of heights.
Bloody hell.
Oh wow.
Oh god, that is high.
Oh, that is high.
Oh.
To be fair. Oh wow.
Holy. Oh no, horrible revelation. Oh, you can see through the boards. No, just don't think about it. That's the view. Oh god.
You're making it wobble.
Am I?
Yeah, moving. Please
Oh,
stop.
sorry, you didn't have that. You tripped back there. I gotta get off this bridge. It's stressing me out. Oh, I can already feel the anxiety leaving my body.
Wait, you guys taking this with
stop stomping around. Oh, bloody hell.
I think this is a great little thing to do.
Yeah.
And it was free.
Yeah.
We didn't pay anything to come here. You don't pay to park. You don't pay to access the viewpoint. And you get a stunning bit of scenery in Luxembourg.
And we got it all to ourselves.
Yeah.
On a Saturday.
Right, we're here on a Saturday. It is currently like 10 to 12 or something.
I don't know if this... I mean, it is quite out the way.
Not that far though. Only like 20 minutes from the border.
Yeah.
15 maybe. And there was like 2 other cars in the car park. There's no one on the viewing platform with us.
They went the other way.
Yeah, right.
So I don't know.
Really pleased.
Worth the stop, definitely.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. Gorgeous viewpoint. And I'm really pleased we stopped here. I managed to get a Polaroid.
There we go, added to your collection.
Yes, I'm trying to get one in every country now. At least one. I got 2 in Belgium. Really pleased. So we're going to hit the road now and head towards Luxembourg City.
Yep, let's go.
Let's go.
Cool.
Feel it.
Oh. Yeah.
It feels like how our bread feels like when it's a bit stale.
Yeah. Interesting, considering we've
just bought it yesterday.
And I've only just opened it.
We're going to take advantage of the free car park here and we're going to make some sandwiches because we are starving. We got cheese, from Tesco's back in the UK, and we got ham.
Oh God.
No idea if this is good ham. We'll soon find out.
Go back to the van, had our lunch. It's only just started raining. Don't know if you can see it.
Fuming. I mean, we've got an hour's drive now anyway, so it's not like we're relying on no rain for something.
That's true.
But fingers crossed it stops before we get to the city.
Yeah, there's lovely blue skies.
I know, the sun was out. I put my sun cream on.
Sheep.
Just a few sheep. It's a shopping centre.
A lot of sheep. Interesting. After doing about 10 laps.
I think about 20 minutes we've been looking for a space.
Yeah, we finally found one.
My advice would be get here early.
And not on a Saturday?
Maybe. I don't know if that's made a difference. Considering how big this car park is, I think it's always quite busy.
Probably. But we found a space right next to
another T4.
Look at that.
Incidentally, this was actually the only space we found in ages, so
yeah, we weren't really being
it was not intentional.
Picky.
No. We
right.
just needed a space wide enough, but if he's next to us, we're fine. Benny's got a French mate.
It's the face of someone who can't read a map.
I just get a bit confused. I get a bit turned round in cities. I'm not used to it, and I just get a bit confused. So we've never really ridden the metro or the tram or anything, have we?
No.
So I'm not quite used to like how it works. I can barely use a bus, to be honest. So.
Out of the city now.
Well, out of the main hub,
yes,
I would say.
Yeah. And
we're finding it quite busy, aren't we?
It's very busy. It is a Saturday.
Yes.
And I think it's fair to compare to Andorra.
Yes, Andorra's smaller, but this is also a small
in fact, like
country.
2 small countries with their main capital being the hub of everything.
Yeah, I think that's quite a fair comparison.
Yeah, so
from what we've
very
experienced
busy.
Anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Like we were in Andorra only for a few hours, same as Luxembourg. The cities that is. So I just think it's everything happens in one place type of thing.
Yeah, so do I. So now we are on our way to the panoramic elevator, I'll put the name up on the screen for what it's actually called.
Yeah.
And we're hoping that it's either not going to be too busy because it's Saturday, or that it's in operation. We'll have to see.
Wait to find out.
But we're making the track there now.
That's got to be it.
Surely.
So it's somewhere through there. Oh, miles better.
Yeah. So we just got back to B. The rain has arrived, unfortunately, but we did get to ride in the panoramic lift. It was just a fun, free little thing I wanted to do while we were here. I saw it online and I just thought, oh yeah, that looks like a bit of fun. And it also meant that we walked quite a lot of the city, and then we didn't have to go up the massively steep hill.
Yeah, which is good. We got the tram in. Well, we got 2 trams in. 1 tram out, 1 tram in. And then walked around for a bit. Very busy.
Yes.
And it was good because we walked about halfway to the lift.
Yeah.
And then the other half then was to all like some like parks and bits.
Really nice, yeah. And then we walked back to the van. We went through a nice little gardens and everything. It was really nice. Yeah. So now the plan is to get some fuel, because fuel here is quite cheap.
Apparently.
And we want to pick up a couple of bits for dinner.
Yep. And
head to our park up.
I'll cook inside, I imagine.
Probably.
Fantastic news!
Marie! I'm coming for you!
Cheapest chips over here. 86 euros from about, what, a quarter?
Less than a quarter, I think.
How do you feel about that?
Very happy.
No wonder why everyone has money over here.
I know. It's not all being spent on bloody fuel. Here's some food sizzling away. How's it going?
It's going okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Doing med veg. Oh God. Got some peppers, got some onion. Would love some courgette, don't have any. Got chicken. Oh, potatoes. Potatoes, I need to boil them. Oh, back now.
Finished what I was doing on the laptop, doing some editing, so now I've been roped into cooking. How big do you want these cut?
2.5 centimetres.
Was my chopping satisfying for you? Satisfying? Was my chopping satisfactory for you?
Satisfactory, yeah. I'm just waiting now.
Looks good.
Yeah, look. Hold on.
Smells alright.
Yeah, it smells pretty good.
I can't really smell much from back here.
Got the fan on, got the front door open, back door open. Still drizzly.
Yeah.
So hearty meals needed, I reckon. Excited.
We don't often have potato in the van, do we?
Not really, no. No, because
it's a bit difficult.
Yeah, it's not as easy as like, you know, pasta or rice. But potato, I've just parboiled it for a bit and I'm just frying it off.
Yeah.
I don't know, if this goes well then maybe we have it more.
Okay, dinner looks great. We'll give you our verdict once we've finished.
I know I said when I know you said when we finished, but what is your thoughts?
It's banging.
Yeah?
I really like this. I think we should do this more often.
Bit of on the fly.
Easy. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it uses potatoes.
There we go. Happy as Larry.
Very.
What you got there?
My croissant. From Marie.
You're a love affair, you.
It's delicious though.